Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, St. George, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you want to move across the country or state, a professional moving company can handle all this with ease and convenience. 3 Movers is a cheap yet professional moving company working hard to provide its clients stress-free moving experiences. With more than 20 years of experience in this field, 3 Movers understands the needs of its customers. We also know your expectations from us, and we are thrilled to serve you. We can make your long-distance transfer easy and quick as we have a great working relationship with the migration authorities, so you won't face any legal issues while relocating. Furthermore, while moving with us, you can stay assured about the safety of your products and all your belongings, and will be covered by insurance. Convinced already? Reach out to us today. Even if you're shifting just around the corner, your belongings still need to be packed and the furniture must be lifted, and lifting is not something you can do alone. Therefore, hiring a local moving company is the best move. We offer local moving services at reasonable rates, plus our staff is trained and disciplined to do the needful. Our team ensures that our clients are updated during every step of the journey. Also, we can complete your local move in just one afternoon, while doing it on your own may take a good few days. We also ensure that you have a wonderful and delightful experience with us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. George moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.